Specification of a port or ports in Nmap. Nmap has an argument which is -p to specify a single port, separated ports, or you can even specify a range of a port. Let's go with a single port. -p is an argument where you can specify a single port too. Here, Nmap successfully worked on a port number 80. We can even specify different ports separated by commas. I'm scanning port number 80, 443, 8080, and 4433. Let's hit enter. Nmap successfully scanned 4 of the port. Port number 80 flagged as open, 443 flagged as open. However, the port number 4433 is closed. Using -p argument, we can even specify a range to scan. I'll be choosing a range from 1 to 100, and Nmap will going to scan all the ports which comes under 1 to 100 category. Here, within those 100 ports, Nmap managed to find 4 ports open. However, 96 other ports are closed, which is not shown.